everyone, I'm Viola. Today, let's uncover the hidden complexity behind powder with our new generation powder characteristic tester, PowderPro X1. Powder behavior is often described using only a few simple parameters, but in reality, it is much more complicated. Their flow, packing, and interactions are influenced by many different properties. That's why using only one or two powder characteristics cannot capture the full image of how powder flows and interacts in real conditions. To help you better understand your powder, our newest instrument, PowderPro X1, brings 18 key parameters together in one platform. With funnel following module and 360-degree multi-angle analysis, you'll get a more realistic view of how powder flow and settle. Its flexible module design allows you to switch between different testing modules, including angle of sliding friction, sieves, and graduated cylinder. And with test units, you can further expand its testing capabilities with flow rate and dispersibility analysis. Meanwhile, temperature and humidity monitoring helps you track testing conditions and understand how environmental factors influence powder behavior. PowderPro X1 features SOP-based workflows aligned with over 20 global standards, helping ensure consistent and reliable results across different labs and applications. From pharmaceuticals and food to chemicals and scientific research, understanding powder behavior is essential for improving product quality and process reliability. So stay tuned for more insights into powder characterization with Bettersize, and don't forget to visit our website to learn more about PowderPro X1.